I'm Elaine Johns. I'm one of the inventors of a technology called Globo Hydropower. The technology upgrades existing in-use engines to hydrogen hybrid engines. The benefits of the technology is that it reduces 30% fuel consumption and up to 40% emissions reduction.
Hi, I'm Michael Roberts. I'm the Master Mechanic at Globo Hydrogen Power. Today we're fitting the kit to the Excavator, and yeah, I'll show you how to do it.
Hi, I'm Jo Brown, Director of Hydrogen to Power, H2P. We are the sole distributors for the product and commercialising it throughout Australia and New Zealand. This morning we are on an industrial site for an installation onto an excavator for a company called Concrush, one of many that have made a move to go green and to reduce their fuel intake. Hydrogen to Power has been working closely with the New South Wales Government, who has given us collaboration with the hydrogen hubs in New South Wales, and we've had inquiry now from hydrogen hubs all around Australia. We're working very closely with Macquarie Bank, who are getting involved in financing the product throughout Australia, and also the NRMA are now probably our first inquiry to go on a ferry. So we have contacts for heavy vehicles, heavy machinery, locomotives, and now we're really excited about getting into marine.
I'm a mechanic, and I'm just here with the bottom bracket, about to mount it so we can mount the tank onto this. Not too far, well, not too close to the exhaust. You don't want any sort of heat going near it. Yeah, the exhaust is going that way, and the tank's going to be here. It's got some sort of airflow going to it too. So yeah, the bracket's going to go here. I've already marked my holes, drilled 2 already. Going to go there, gives you enough clearance underneath, so it's not going to be rubbing on this sort of plate here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I've got here, I've got a high pressure line, and I'm just chucking tape on the threads so it can be compliant with hydrogen pressure. And it already has O-rings on it, but like I said, it's just to be compliant with hydrogen. Alright, sweet. Let's check. Don't need too much, just enough to assist it. Once you got it on, you just nip them up. That way. That's pretty much it. So as you can see, tape just goes onto the threads, so it just kind of helps it seal a lot better. Already has the O-ring on here, as you can see. It's a tape and chamfer on it. Usually that's where it would seal, and then the threaded part would pressure this onto the other fitting, but this also helps the thread seal, just in case anything bypasses here. So this is the bracket, pretty easy, 2 holes, got your tap here, it's preset so you shouldn't have to really adjust anything.
So use Teflon tape instead of thread locker, because the molecules can bypass when it dries out, and Teflon tape just ensures that it stays airtight or hydrogen tight. So that's why we prefer this as per our standards, opposed to